In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Robinhood Gold. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Robinhood app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to cancel the Robinhood Gold, you can go to your Gold account section. Here in this home screen, at the bottom right corner, you can see the Gold icon. Tap on it. From here, you can apply for the Robinhood Gold card. Tap on this Reserve Your Spot option. Now you are in the wait list in order to receive the Robinhood Gold card, so you can tap on Continue. So you will have to wait until you get the response. After your application is approved, if you come back to this section again, here you will see your Robinhood Gold card account details. And if you scroll down, at the bottom you'll see the Cancel Membership option. From here you can cancel the Robinhood Gold account. You can simply tap on this Cancel Membership option and follow along the process. So that's how you can easily cancel the Robinhood Gold. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.